Namaste. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to deal with multiple checkboxes. It will be a kind of group of checkboxes. So as you can see, this is HTML form. Action is equal to checkbox group.jsp, and these are all checkboxes. Instead of having single checkbox, we are having multiple checkboxes. As you can see, the name of all the checkboxes is same, that is cities. So that means they form a group, but value ought to be different. For each checkbox, there should be a unique value. Let me execute this. Okay, these are the checkboxes. I have merely executed the HTML program. We are yet to see the program checkbox group.jsp. Okay, so because action is equal to checkbox group.jsp is there, let's go to the program checkbox group.jsp. We'll be retrieving the values of first name, last name as usual, and here we are going to do a very important thing. What we are going to do is we are going to use request.getParameter values, not get parameter. In the previous lectures, people used the method getParameter. Now we will be using getParameter values. Why? Because this time over we are going to have multiple checkboxes, and each checkbox is independent of the other checkboxes. So that means the multiple values can be checked or they can be unchecked. So we will have to see, we will have to print all the checkboxes which have been checked. So there are going to be multiple values. So what we have done is we have come up with an array. So what I have written is request.getParameter values cities. Cities is the name of all these checkboxes. Okay, cities. The name is common because it's a group of checkboxes. So it will be put into the array all the checkboxes which have been checked. So they will be put in the array AR, and I have made this simple loop for string str colon AR. So what will happen is, for the first time, the first value of the array AR would be put into str. The first element would be put into str, that will be displayed. Then again it will go up, it will assign the second element of the array AR. Let me tell you, AR is containing the values of all the checkboxes which have been checked by the user. So what will happen is, we will go to run as, run on server. What is going to happen is, all the selected checked checkboxes, their values are going to be put into the array. So I am going to join Mumbai, Surat, Kurukshetra, Karnal. I will click on click me. Yes, our program has been executed successfully. Anand value is of F name, Mahajan is of L name, and these are the values which we have got after applying the loop. So this is how we people deal with the multiple checkboxes.